Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ultimate Football on Roblox Mobile. First, customize your mobile controls in the in-game settings for a personalized experience. Many players find it helpful to turn off the kicker ball camera and throwing arc for more precise actions. Additionally, lowering your graphics quality can significantly reduce lag, especially on mobile devices. Always play in third-person view to maintain full awareness of the field and your teammates. On offense, quarterbacks are crucial. Always aim your throws ahead of your receiver's anticipated position to avoid interceptions. You can hone your throwing accuracy and power by practicing in the QB gauntlet. For wide receivers, timing your jumps is essential for successful catches. Try to create separation from defenders by using quick cuts and changing your route at the last moment. Communication with your quarterback is also key for successful plays. When playing defense, a key strategy is to keep receivers inside, preventing them from cutting outside for easy gains. There are three main tackle types: reach, normal, and hit stick. Learn to use each effectively. Timing your swap move is vital for blocking passes or even intercepting the ball. If playing defensive end, coordinate with a teammate to push the offensive line back, creating pressure on the quarterback from both the left and right sides. To truly excel, make use of the dedicated practice areas for catching, throwing, and kicking. Customizing your offensive playbook is highly recommended, as hopping on a route pad provides a noticeable speed boost. Playing in public servers is the fastest way to earn coins and gain valuable experience. Also, remember to join the official Ultimate Football Roblox group, as members often receive extra in-game coins, helping you progress faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.